Friends, I am Justin Paul Matthew from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today I would be explaining you the use of virtual functions. So to start with, the question asked me to create a class called publication, which stores the title and price of a publication. And from this class, I need to derive two classes: book, which adds the page count, and tape, which adds the playing time in minutes. And then each of this class should have a get data function and a put data function to get the display. So, and then in the main program, I need to create an array of pointers to publication, and in a loop, I need to ask the user to data for a particular book and tape. And when the user has finished, I should display the resulting data for all books and tapes entered. And then, so I have started with the header file hash include iostream, then stdlive.h, and then cstring using namespace std. It's a standard library for the input and output operations. And then here I have declared a class publication. Inside that, as I have been set to store the title and price of publication, so I have taken a string variable title and then price as int, and then in public I have uh, declared a function get data, and I have declared it virtual. So virtual void get data. So cout enter title. So I ask the user to enter the title, and then I am storing it in title. In the same way, I have asked the user to enter the price for that, and then I am storing the price. Then I am asking virtual void put data. So in that I will be displaying the title and price. And then after that I have defined a class called book, and then I am publicly deriving the properties of the base class. That is, publicly I am calling the publication, and here I have declared a variable page cnt, that is page count, and it's of type integer. Here I have again declared a function called void get data. From here I have like publication scope resolution get data. So the get data of the base class will be invoked, and then I am asking the user to enter the pages and then page count, and then after that I input data, I am displaying the results. In the same way I am taking class tape. It is also being derived from the base class publication publicly. So here I have taken a variable called time. It's of type float, and here also I have given a function called get data, and I am asking the user to enter the time in minutes, and then with put data I'm displaying the result. So as I've been told to create a pointer of array, I have created book star ob of size 10. In the same way, tape star t of size 10. So I have created an object which is of pointer, and it's an array. So after that I have declared two variables a and b, which will be storing the number of books and number of tapes respectively. After that, inside a for loop, I which is starting from 0 till the number of books which the user want to enter. After that, ob of I is equal to new book. So I am creating a new object with the help of a new keyword, and in the same way I am taking another for loop for tape. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than b, I plus plus, and then t of I is equal to new tape. And after that, in a while loop, I am showing the choices which this program will be doing, like add books, add tapes, display book, display tapes, and then I'm storing it in ch. And in the switch case, like case 1, if the user wants to enter data, again I'm taking a for loop, because we need to enter 2 3, like what the user wants, that much books I need to enter. So I'm printing it, and then I'm calling the function get data. After that, again in case 2, I'm again having a for loop, so that I can afford to put how many datas the user want to put. So here I am calling the function get data using the object of t. In the same way, case 3, for displaying, I am calling the put data using the object of book, and in the same way for tape I am calling the function put data using t. So let me run the program and show you how it works. So it's asking how many books I want to enter. Let I suppose as 2. Enter the number of tapes. Again, I am entering it as 2. So now it is asking which option I want to do. So I want to add books. So enter title. Let it be like any book. Gulliver's Travel. Price. Let it be 150. Number of pages. Let it be 450. In the same way for book 2, let it be like data structures. So price, let it be 300, and the pages be, let it be 500. So now if I want to display the books, I will press the option 3 and see, we can see the book 1 and title, price, pages. In the same way for book 2 also it's displayed. So if now I want to perform for tapes, I will press 2. Now it's asking enter title, like maybe Saregama. Price, let it be 150. Enter the time in minutes, let it be 120, 2 hours. So again it's asking for the next title, let it be Jesus Calls. Price, let it be 150 or let it be 100, and then the time in minutes, let it be 65 minutes. So now if I want to display that tape recording, so 4, we can see Saregama 150, time is 120, and here title Jesus Calls, price 100, and time is 65. I'll come out of this. We need to press 5. So I hope you understood the program. Virtual functions concept, it's very easy. So I hope you understood the program, and thank you for watching my video.